Good morning, students of grade 4th. Myself, Bhagwati Prajapat, and I am your maths teacher. We are doing Exceed grade 4th math. Today we will start block 9 of volume 2. Volume 1 we already completed. Now we are going to start volume 2, and in volume 2 we are starting today block 9. Block 9. Block 9 is circle and its feature. Circle and its features. Let's see. In previous video, we already studied about the features of circle. Features of circle. In block 9, S1 we are solving on page number 2. Question number 1 is, take the things that are round. Round means circle. Round means circle. From these objects, which objects are circle? Yes, this one is circle. So, take A. Take A. Next, we have B. This one is shape of rectangular. This one is shape of rectangular. So, this one is not a circle. Next, C. This one is a clock, and clock is in shape of circle. Yes, this one is also circle. Next question number 2a. Draw a circle using a pin and string of length 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Let's see how we will draw this one. To draw a circle, we need one pin. This one is pin. Next, we want string. String means thread, dhaga. This one is straight. So, we will draw a circle with the help of both two things. Let's see. Yes. And we will pinch in this. Okay. And we will cut this thread of 3 centimeter, because we are making 3 centimeters 3 centimeter circle. So we will do 3 centimeter, but we have to tie our a pencil in this. So we will took more length. More length. So I am taking this one and I will tie. Like this, we will bind our pencil in this thread or string, and we will make a circle. Hold your pin and make a circle slowly. Make a circle slowly with the help of string and our pin. And this one is center of our circle. This is not properly 3 centimeter, but approximately this one is 3 centimeter. This one is 3 centimeter. Not necessary to make exactly 3 centimeter. You can make 2 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter, 4 centimeter also, because we are using in this thread. Okay, now come on question number B of question number 2. Tick the correct feature and cross out the incorrect feature of the circle. Incorrect feature we have to cross. Now we all know the features of circle. A circle is round in shape and open. Yes, this one is round in shape, but this is not a open shape. This is closed shape. So this one is incorrect. So we will cross out this one. Next, each point on a circle is at the same distance from the center of circle. Yes, because from the center to edge we have equal distance from the center to edge. This one is edge. We have same difference. We have same difference. So this one is right. So we will take right. Next, see, one circle has two different centers. No, we have only one center in a circle. This one is center. We can't put any center of this. So this one is cross. Next, question number 3. How can you draw a circle of a smaller size? Which size? Smaller size than the one you draw in question A. Question A, this one. This one is our question A, and we draw this circle. So what we will do? We will take small string, then we will make small circle. Yes, took small string to make small circle. Okay, what we will do? We will do small string, then we will make small circle. Okay students, so this was our S1 of block 9. Next S2 we will do in our next class. Till then students, bye bye.